Jiaxing C# Advanced Materials Technology Company. Located in Jiaxing, the central city of Yangtze River Delta, is a high-tech enterprise integrating research and development, design, production, processing, sales, and service of new materials. We rely on the new material system with independent intellectual property rights, lead the industry innovation. Build the full process production line of cermet with international high-end equipment to ensure excellent product performance and stable quality. C# has endorsed the CNC press, Shimazu vacuum sintering furnace, Eagles on high precision 5-axis grinding center, and other top equipment, with the mission of leading technology and professional excellence. Is committed to providing customers with the best quality precision manufacturing services. Jiaxing C# Advanced Material Technology Company, equipped with international advanced testing instruments to ensure that each product reaches the top level. We work closely with Shanghai Jiao Tong University, Delft University of Technology, and other universities to promote the deep integration of industry with schools and scientific research institutions. We strictly implement the quality management system certification, the implementation of 6S management products by the National Authority of Identification and Recognition. Jiaxing C# Advanced Materials Technology Company have a number of invention patents and honorary certificates, showing strong technical strengths. Products exported to overseas won the global customers' praise. An eagle can fly 1,000 miles without stopping anything. C# bring you to create a brilliant future.